Good afternoon. This is Mike and Julio from the Eaves maintenance team. Today, due to COVID-19, our maintenance team is running slightly behind taking care of essential work orders. However, that doesn't mean your work order is not important to us, as every work order is important to us. Today, Julio is going to show you how to reset the GFCI on your outlet in the bathroom. Julio, I was shaving this morning and my shaver stopped working. What do I do?
Alright, you have to make sure that everything is fine with the GFI, and this has an indicator, a green light when it's working properly. But if it's something like overheater or water get in contact with the circuit, this will protect you. That's why it will pop. But now to reset it, you just go to the reset button. And now you have a green light showing that everything is fine.
Voila, green means go. Thank you for showing us, Julio. Until next time, this is Mike and Julio.